Code requirements for wall baseboard. We are going to install some engineered laminate flooring on the bottom floor of our home. Knowing that baseboards are a requirement for that project, I wondered if I could kill two birds with one stone. I am trying to get Ethernet cables installed throughout some of the rooms in the bottom floor, and it seems that if cut a slot in the drywall, from the subfloor to about 3 inches off of the subfloor, though I need to measure twice and cut once, I can gain enough access to the studs to drill through them. And then, theoretically, I could cover this slot over with custom baseboards made to match the rest of the trim. But my question is, what requirements does this drywall baseboard system have to satisfy by code? My understanding is that walls have to be substantially sealed up, with no gaps, etc. But what do I need, specifically? I think I have seen something like a minimum of 5/8 OSB used for fire stopping, but I'm not sure what the equivalent would be in pine. It seems like this should be possible, in much the same way built-in furniture is allowed. What should I be looking at for a reference or for plans? More generally, does this seem like a good or bad idea? I basically got the idea to cut the slot from a copy of Fine Home Builder, but now I'm not sure about the details to make it work well and legal. Question from user Noman at Stack Exchange. Answer: there is nothing in the code that requires a wall base or baseboards. In fact, there is no requirement for interior wallboard. If loose fill insulation or unfaced fiberglass insulation is used in the stud cavity, then wallboard is handy to seal up the wall, and wall base is an easy way to seal the base. In addition, wallboard is required for 1-hour and 2-hour fire-rated walls, except at fire-rated walls between the garage and living spaces. Protection wallboard is only required on the garage side. Answer from user Lee Sam at Stack Exchange.